Hey everyone, Matt here from the Wi-Fi Ninjas, and in this short video today, I want to talk to you about a feature that I'm going to refer to as the forgotten feature inside of Ekahau, purely because this is a feature that I often forget to utilize. And when I remember to use it, I remember how helpful it can be and why I should use it more. So this is why I'm making this video, so I can hopefully remind you guys that it's there and what we can do with it. So let's jump into one of my Ekahau project files so I can do a little demo for you. So now we can see a design file that I have for a large warehouse customer of ours. And the feature that I want to talk to you guys today about is a feature called the cable note. Now, caveat, you need to make sure that you've scaled your floor plan correctly for this to be useful. But what we can use this feature for is to work out the cable length from a cabinet to the access point. So we can then start to work out how many cabinets do we need for our design, how many access points can connect back to this cabinet within a certain length that we want to stick to. Do we want to keep it to 100 meter length, or do we want to keep it to 90 meters? We can use this feature to get a really good idea nice and easily for that. So let me show you how to use that. I've now changed from the default view of the map note under planning to cable note. And then what you need to do is find a position on the floor plan where you know you've got a cabinet. So for example, let's say that there is a cabinet just here. What we're going to do, we're just going to left click and then simply drag our cursor, and it will start to tell us a distance from where you drag your cursor. So if you know where you've got cable trays or where you're going to be likely to run a cable, you can start that and then follow that cable route. So let's say that the cable is going to come out to the middle of the warehouse part of the aisles here. You left click again and it will save that position, and then you just drag to another position, and then it tells us the distance, which is great. The only thing that it doesn't take into consideration is the vertical height for the cable run. So you need to factor that in. So for me on this warehouse, I know from the ground to the ceiling is 18 meters. So when I'm doing my calculations here, I'm going to probably budget an extra 20 meters just to be on the safe side. And then what you can do is you can then just simply click again and then right click to finish, and then you can add a note. So cab A to AP 69, and then that's saying it's 41 meters. If we add on 20 meters to be safe, it's going to be 61 meter cable run, and then just hit enter. Now that note is saved into your file, and it might be a little bit excessive to do that for every single access point that you've got, but if you have got a smaller file or there is a need to do that, then you can. And it's just a great feature inside of Ekahau, one of many, but this is one that I forget to use quite often, but could help me quite a lot, especially for the installation team as well. So yeah, that was it. I just wanted to remind you of this feature, show you how to access it, how to use it, and hopefully you remember to use it with some of your projects coming up. Okay, thanks. Bye.